How's it going, team? Hope you're all keeping well. In this quick video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough in the Train Like a Warrior online workout studio, where hundreds of members around the world are working out alongside with me every day, literally working out anytime, anywhere, at home, on their travels, or even just the gym. Now, I'm going to be launching my brand new Warrior Left Transformation program exclusively into this studio now on Monday the 12th of September, and it's going to be an absolute game changer. It is our first fully focused strength, lean muscle building transformation challenge. But anyway, within the studio, you have access to hundreds of on-demand workouts for whatever your goals may be, whether it is to build lean muscle, shape off your physique, lose unwanted body fat, get fitter, healthier and stronger. We have all those workouts tailored for you within the studio. Alongside that, you have access to the complete Master Your Nutrition section, where you have meal plans, recipe packs, high protein guides, how to eat out without affecting progression, how to track your macros, complete food shopping list, and so much more. You also gain access to the complete transformation challenges that we have within the studio, such as our previous program, our strength, sweat and sculpt, which is basically a full 28-day, 4-week strength and conditioning transformation challenge. And as you know, all the workouts are performed in real time, and you can literally perform them anytime, anywhere, with no excuses. So as you can see here, the program and the workouts are performed in real time. You follow alongside with me every step of the way. You can perform the workouts on your phone, your iPad, your tablet, your TV. You can stream it. You can download the sessions for offline, so you can literally take these workouts with you anytime, anywhere. You can add them into your favorites, download them, and continue on that way. Alongside that there, you have also access to the complete education platform, where I guide you through, as you can see here, all the different workouts: kettlebell, body weight, muscle building sessions, high intensity combat style workouts, so much more to really help progress and take your results to the next level. I have absolute demonstrations for each and every exercise to guide you on how to perform each movement. As I was saying here, the education portal, how you can gain muscle, lose body fat, how to progress within your training, gain more muscle, lose unwanted body fat faster. I basically give you a full guide and a walkthrough on how you can maximize your results with progressive overload. This is literally your complete studio on how you can take your results to the next level. Alongside that, whenever you become a Warrior Squad member, you gain access to our exclusive Facebook group, where you will have access to me as your coach. So I will help guide you, motivate you and push you, answer any questions that you need. If you're struggling with anything, we will be able to work that out within the group, and you have access to me as your coach, so you can reach out to me and I'm happy to help alongside the members within the squad. Another really cool feature here is the search. So say you want to perform an upper body workout, type in upper body, and all upper body sessions will come here for you, and you can literally perform them, as I said, on your phone, any device, your TV. This is your go-to, literally a home gym studio right here in the palm of your hands. The benefit of the Train Like a Warrior workout studio, and I cannot wait now to get started with our brand new challenge. Our last 28-day challenge has been a game changer. Literally hundreds of members around the world getting into the best shape and the best health of their life. So if you're interested, make sure you head over to the website. I'll link it below, trainlikeawarrior.co.uk. Join up, become a member. It is literally the best value for money you will ever spend. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need expensive equipment. Literally a month's membership is cheaper than one PT session, and you're going to get into the health and the shape of your life. Try it, and even if you don't enjoy it, within 7 days I'll give you a money back guarantee, because I'm not sure that you will absolutely love the studio. So hopefully we'll see you in the inside, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. Happy to help. Cheers.